Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we'll build the sending photo message feature. First, when users press the accessory button, we'll present them a view controller named image picker with some animation. For now, let's do nothing upon completion. We want users to use this view controller to pick photos. So, we'll create this image picker object from the UI image picker controller class. Okay, this one. Let's initialize the image picker object. Basically, when users press the accessory button, an image picker view will be displayed for them to choose photos from the photo library. All right? Okay, so now press the accessory button. All right, cool. Users can now choose photos from the library. But for now, we aren't able to possess the photos. It's like UI image picker controller already helped you to choose a photo, but to access it, you need to implement a certain protocol. To do so, let someone be my delegate and implement the UI image picker controller delegate protocol. All right, so let's see what methods in this protocol we need to implement. Okay, the method we'll implement is did finishing picking media with info. Then we can access the info of the media files users picked and do whatever we want with them. All right, cool. We'll let the chat view controller take care of this task. All right, let's do this. We can continue to add code to the chat view controller class, but for readability, we'll add an extension for doing this task. All right, extend class chat view controller, make it adopt the UI image picker controller delegate protocol, meaning it declares that it'll implement this protocol. In this extension, we'll implement the did finish picking media with info method. Then, we can access the photo the user picked. As usual, let's print something like did finish picking. All right, picking, good. All right, now we have the media info. All right, hang on. Let's copy over the code for creating messages from the last lecture. All right, okay. All right, for the media info that we have, we'll first need to get the image. Then we're going to need to encode it into a message to present to the UI. All right, we'll create a JSQ message from the photo as we did before with the text. All right, that's just our plan, so let's comment them out. All right, let's see what information we have after users pick photos. Okay, no bugs so far. Okay, let's choose an image. This one? And nothing happened. Okay, here's why. The chat view controller declared it would implement protocol UI image picker controller delegate so that it can access the media info of the file users picked. But the UI image picker controller doesn't know the chat view controller did that. So the chat view controller must be a delegate of it for it to know. So in the chat view controller, we need to set it as a delegate of the image picker. Okay? We use self to represent chat view controller because this is inside the class definition. Oh wait, there's an error. Okay, it says that the chat view controller must also implement the UI navigation controller delegate protocol because delegates of UI image picker controller confirm to this protocol. So, we need to make chat view controller adopt the UI navigation controller delegate. Okay, now check it out. All right, good. There's no error anymore. Okay, here's our app. Let's pick an image. All right, click this image. Cool, it's working. The message is printed to the console each time we choose a photo. So now we can extract the chosen photos from the media info we got. Okay? The images can be read off from the media info that chat view controller receives. All right, let's see what's inside the media info. Okay, press the button and choose a photo, like this one. Okay, the media info is a dictionary containing all the information regarding the chosen photo. So, we need to read off the value of key UI image picker controller original image to extract the picked image. To do so, let picture be the value of the info dictionary corresponding to key UI image picker controller original image. All right. And the values of info are of type any object. So we need to convert this picture to a UI image. All right, great. We finished our first stage. We now have the chosen photo in our hands. Our next stage is to encode this photo into a JSQ message. So let's uncomment the message in vitalization we placed before. Be careful, it's not a text message anymore. The information needed to be encoded is a media file. Fortunately, the JSQ messages library has a method for creating media messages. So this is the text message initializer. The one below it is the media message initializer, and that's what we need. Its parameters are sender ID and sender display name, which are of the user sending the message. Its final parameter is the media file needed to be sent, which is the picture that the user chose using the image picker. All right, let's see. All right, let's build the app. Actually, there's an error. Yeah, right. The type is not right. The chosen picture is a UI image, but the media input should be of type... Wait, where is it? I don't know why we can't see the document, but let's go ahead and encode the picture into a media photo of type JSQ. Okay, here. The JSQ photo media item class adopts the JSQ message media data protocol. And that encodes a UI image into a photo media item in order to create a JSQ photo media message. All right. This photo media item object should be initialized from a UI image. Okay, let's put that down. We'll input the parameter shortly. You can command click this class to check out its initializer. All right, cool. The UI image parameter should be our chosen picture. All right. So now we simply just create the photo media message from the photo media item instead of the UI image picture. Basically, from the chosen picture, we create a photo media object in order to generate our photo message. All right, let's test it out. Pick a photo. Actually, let's import some nicer images. Okay, much better. Now, let's pick one of the new photos. Okay, we received the photo, know all about it, and probably created a photo message from it. But before showing the message, let's fix something we forgot to do. After users picked a photo, we need to dismiss the image picker view controller. All right, so let's try that again. The image picker should now disappear after we choose a photo. All right, let's pick the photo we chose before. Cool, the image picker disappeared indeed. Now, simply update the collection view to display the newly created photo message and test it out. All right, everything should be working fine now. Okay, here's the app. Let's send a photo message. Pick this photo again. Great. Our photo message now appears nicely on the chat view. Okay, so far users can send text and photo messages. In the next lectures, we'll let users send video messages and play the videos directly in the app. All right, see you then.